Baked beans. Baked beans.
Baked beans. They're quick, they're simple, they're convenient, and in my opinion, the ones you get in a can from the supermarket are varying shades of nasty, which is a shame because they are so quick and simple to make at home and you can jazz them up as you want to. So, what goes into them? Here you go. Onions. Peel it, chop it, job done. Garlic. If you like garlic, put in a clove or two. Peel it and either finely chop it or turn it into a paste. Then we've got tomatoes. I've got chopped in puree, and cannellini beans or white beans. Whatever brand you've got, not a problem. Me personally, I chose to put bacon in because it's bacon. There you go, job done, ready to go. Now what we need to do, fry pan on the stove, a little bit of oil in and make it nice and hot. A little splash of oil into a hot pan, and then you're going to fry off the bacon and the onions. Don't put the garlic in straight away because that tends to burn really easily. So put that in about a minute before you finish the frying, before you add the beans and the tomatoes. Now we've got a little colour on our onions and bacon, in goes the garlic. If you want to get really flash, you can throw in a splash of red wine. We don't have any because we finished it last night, so in goes the tomatoes. And then follow that straight away and go the beans. Bring it back to the simmer, season to taste with some salt, pepper, maybe a bit of chili or hot sauce, and you're done.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baked beans.
If you like the beans that you get in the tins, grand. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But hopefully this has given you the ideas of how to jazz up your beans on toast next Sunday morning. If you've liked this video, have a check on some of the others, maybe even subscribe. I'm Kevin from Gilbert's Fine Food. I'll see you again next time.